I name each vegetable in cleaning. Welcome water, the vinegar before and after, thick soap. I watch my skin pull away from itself in strangled tributaries. Madder red leadings that converge in the soft taut between fingers, over knuckles. These are the under band-aids. Narrow fissures caught by rims of coppering scab. I am a mire at night. Tract of Vaseline gum stains, sweat, senseless itch. I get no sleep for scratching white veins into the backs of my hands. They take weeks to heal. I plan around the kitchen, make tea instead of coffee, palm door handles, but mostly I cannot stop. I wash and Lysol. Although no one asked, my favorite part of myself is my fingers, not my hands. They've left, aged ahead to fault and shine of uncountable veins. Yet I still covet digits, blue beyond cold to browning knuckle, thin and warty. Practical nail beds for a practical girl in navy front buttoned wool. Even now I push pencil, everything manual first. My fingers are the best of me. The rest might break even conditionally. That I wake and I'm kind to you. That I wake and I'm kind. That I wake.